For the closest average heat map, you'll need a point layer. For a detailed guide on adding layers and filtering out points, watch our adding a layer and filtering videos. This point layer shows the stores in and around Augsburg, and this tool helps to show from which area can we reach a set number of them in the shortest time. Click on Toolbox on the right side panel and select Accessibility Indicators, then pick Heat Map Closest Average. Select your desired transportation mode. Choose your points layer, also known as an opportunity layer. Set the maximum travel time in minutes and how many destinations you want to reach within that time. You can add more opportunity layers by clicking on Add Opportunity. All provided opportunity layers containing your destination points will be combined to produce a unified heat map. Then press Run. Processing an area of this size will only take a few seconds. On the left side panel at Layers section, you can rearrange and hide the layers. The grid's accessibility value is the travel time expressed in minutes. It means that the average travel time to the next 3 supermarkets, our chosen number of destinations, is 10 minutes. On this map, the shorter the travel time, the lighter the color of the hexagon. The layers legends can be found on the left side panel at Legend section. On the right side panel at Layer Design, you can personalize the styling of the selected layer.